all the Panamanian hats is from Ecuador. It's important to know that.
Well, good morning. I'm here in Panama at the Hotel Montreal, and today the bike has been dropped off. Overland Embassy is going to do some maintenance for me, and then we're going to ship that baby out to Bogota, Colombia. Anyways, today I've got a day where I can do some video editing, but I'm also going to go for a bit of a walk. I'm going to go up to the hill and see if I can get a view of the city, get out, take some photos. I think I've got 3 or 4 days here in Panama, and just waiting to make sure the bike gets shipped out and the work gets done, plus videoing and stuff. So it's non-riding for 4 or 5 days. It's one of those Groundhog Day kind of places, you know? That should be actually the name of this show, the Groundhog Days of Panama. Anyways, hopefully I'm not captured here. We'll just see how things go. Let's get out there and have some fun. Well, when you show up at the park, you have to pay $4 American to go inside and walk around. Oh, but that is a termite nest. Well, you get to ascend these stairs as a last effort to come up to see the city view from here. Panama has some really nice contrasting new and old buildings together. Just taking a little side street to see what's out here. And there's a big causeway that goes around. Ooh, it's hot. And someone's got a semi-private beach. I wouldn't call it very romantic looking, but it is what it is. Oh, you can get lots of pastries. Got everything happening. These Panama hats are $10. ¿Qué significa de qué?
Catherine.
Ah, es tu nombre.
Yes.
Ah, muy bien. Here in Panama, I think I'm in the old quarter, and that's the new city over there. The renovated building over here, And we got this marketplace behind us, and we've got a lady selling some Panama hats. Although we don't know how legitimate they are. They are in Panama though. And they're only $10. But you can buy the fancy one in the store for $40. And I bet you could negotiate that down because she dropped $8 just talking to me. I'm not that pretty, so I think they got room on the prices. Anyways, let's see what else they got out here. I think that's the Americas Bridge, connecting north and south over the Panama Canal. And this is a papaya. Alright, let's see what we got going here. Oh, they got some really interesting, these are the Panamanian hats.
All the Panamanian hats is from Ecuador. It's important to know that. Why? Because in the time of the Panama Canal building, don't exist in helmets. So the workers use toquilla straw hat. When the President of the United States, Theodore Roosevelt, come to Panama, one worker take the hat like a gift, and he used the hat. And he put the hat and take a picture, and this picture are very famous. When he come back to California, all the people ask, "Hey Teodoro, what is this hat?" This is the Panama hat. So all the people come to Panama to buy the Panama. Depends on the grosor of the straw and also the type of whip. If you see this type of whip, it's more compact. It's two fiber, just near to the band. Near to the band, it's more compact.
Yeah.
And then it's a single fiber.
And that's higher quality?
Basic. This is the
That's
basic quality. You see this, the straw is more smaller, and this type of width has in all the hat. So it's more easy to fold because all the original Panama hat is possible to fold, put in a small space, and then the hat return to the phone. It's the original Panama hat always return to the phone.
So if the material is fine and knit, that's the higher quality.
Exactly.
When it's wide like this is the basic quality. Maybe it has one little piece here that's done tighter.
That's right, sir.
I see. And what are the price points like?
Well, we have a Panama hat. It's possible to fold 60 and up. We have different quality. We have the basic quality, the middle quality, the range is
Yeah, let's go check it out.
200, 400, and also we have the ultra fine quality hats. Let me show you.
Look at all these hats. The styles are so amazing.
You see this? This is the middle quality. We don't have any difference width. All the hats have this type of width. In the basic you see just near to the band.
Yeah.
In all the hats.
So it's consistent. This makes this a middle grade.
And this is also middle, but it's more smaller. You see the difference?
Yeah, I see that. Yeah. Thank you.
This is the pintado hat, or in Spanish, painting hat. And the first step is the signing of the artisan. All the Panamanian hats have design the signature of the artisan.
Oh, really?
First you define the grosor of the straw for the quality of the hat, and then the signature of the artisan.
You know which size is the right size for your head.
Okay, the hat don't touch your ears.
They don't touch your ears.
You see this part?
Yeah.
When you put the hat, I touch your head and don't change the form. It's not just like this or not like this, just the same form and touch your head.
So you can touch your head, but don't touch your ears. And how much are the ultra fine hats?
This is 4,000, 3,000, 2,000.
Dollars.
Or euros, if you like to pay in euros.
No,
it's okay
no,
for
it's
me.
the same. I'm more in the wow because $4,000 for a hat.
Exactly, because for make this hat, the artisan during more than 10 months.
So I learned a lot about hats. Mother's Day today. Holy cow, look at this place. Alright, so here we are in the Panama Canal. It's a very intimate viewing of the ships that are going to come in as you sit in bleachers with everybody else. What's your names? You might as well tell the world. Where are you from? Germany. Oh, which part? Berlin. I see. This is how many people are here to check out the Panama Canal crossing. I've opted to stand in the sun because I want an unobstructed view. And man, you ain't getting one back in there, I'll tell you that. Anyways, that's how it is. And there's the canal. The first one started at 6:30 in the morning. And that's the lock. So this now has gone through to the third lock. And you can see a cruise ship. Good size of that sucker. That's in another set of locks to the other side. El Cipote, Ushuaia cafeteria. This is El Salvadorian. All right, so we're gonna try some El Salvadorian food here. Pampusa, I think it was called. This one has frijoles, which are beans. This one has frijoles and jalapenos. And this one has mushrooms and tomatoes. Can't forget, they also give some coleslaw. And I tried this drink here with some coconut milk, some cinnamon, leche, a couple other ingredients. I think maybe one is almond. It's awesome. You gotta try that someday. Nice and cold and fresh. This poor cab driver got a flat. I just found it interesting how quickly he could get a tire changed. Well, 'tis the season here in Panama. They've got this whole park. Just super lit. It's so romantic. It's very cool. So there's a center court area where the guys are playing some basketball. Then we've got people relaxing here in hammocks. Hey man, you should get a hammock. Yeah, I should borrow that. Find it all the way to Colombia. Yeah. So they got a free hammock area for you to rest in. Pictures with the Christmas lights. Water fountain. Well, it's really interesting. The light looks like it's flashing in here because the LED. It's actually constant, but it looks like it's flashing. Enjoyed today's show. And if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Click the bell so you're notified when new episodes are released. Subscribe. Man, that makes it easier for you to find on your TV and your computer. Hey, share it with your friends. It's always great sharing things with your friends. Leave me a message. I love hearing from you guys. And the call to ride will continue. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next episode.